San Mateo, Santa Clara, and Santa Cruz. They're going. KLVS.
Urgent weather message from the National Weather Service.
Rob Huff on the K-Love app.
2:43 a.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Christmas music?
The National Weather Service in San Francisco has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for San Mateo County in Northern California.
All weekend. Positive, encouraging K-Love.
Northwest Santa Cruz County in Northern California.
KLVS is going.
At 2:43 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, severe southwest of Woodside, or along the line from near Millbrae to 21 miles southwest of Palo Alto, moving north at 40 miles per hour. The following is an urgent weather message from the National Weather Service. Issued at 2:43 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Expect the National Weather Service in San Francisco has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
include Daly City, San Mateo, Redwood City, Palo Alto, South San Francisco, San Bruno, Pacifica, Menlo Park, Foster City, Los Altos, Burlingame, San Carlos, East Palo Alto, Belmont, Millbrae, Half Moon Bay, Hillsborough, Los Altos Hills, Atherton, and Woodside. Storms will be capable of producing large quantities of accumulating hail. This may result in slick and hazardous driving conditions. Slow down and use caution in driving. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover.
Locations and
Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
South San Francisco.
Doubleheader.
Bruno.
Never mind.
Menlo Park, Foster City.
The following is an urgent weather message from the National Weather Service.
East Palo Alto, Belmont, Millbrae, Half Moon Bay, Hillsborough, Los Altos Hills, Atherton, and Woodside. Storms will be capable of producing large quantities of accumulating hail. This may result in slick and hazardous driving conditions. Slow down and use caution if driving. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
From near Millbrae to 21 miles southwest of Palo Alto, moving north at 40 miles per hour.
Hey, cares. We're speaking with Dr. Steinmuller about the campaign for addiction.